To define your existence, you must relate to something, and scientific discoveries give you a tremendous advantage in understanding our existence. For this we must remember what we have found so far. Science has proven to be the best way to discover and define the world around us. This is because it is an extension of our five senses and shows a solid evolution of our knowledge. We now know how we evolved and also understand how we behave. We must remember that we are all one with the universe and, from what we know so far, the most complex existence. Now remember that we are created by our environment. It is important to know that in order to examine our perception of the world, which can be distorted because of an inadequate environment.